Hi there, my name is Peyton and I'm going to jump in and give you guys a quick demonstration of our virtual photo booth software. This event right here is set up for Oceanside High School, who will be conducting a virtual graduation this coming week, and we've prepared this online event completely custom for them. You'll see right from the top we have their custom school emblem with the numbers 2020 to signify the graduation year and a custom wallpaper backdrop. We have a disclaimer message explaining that any photo taken through the platform will be added to an event gallery and viewable by other attendees from the event. And you have up to 3 different photo experience options, where anything from a still photo to a multi-pose photo all the way to a boomerang. And these are the 3 options: still, GIF, and burst, as you see here. From there, we are going to go ahead and take a still photo, and as you can see that the smartphone is asking for permission to use the front-facing camera. We also now have the option to allow guests to upload a recent photo, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So from here, I've selected a nice stock model shot that we can upload into the software, and as you can see, that's been positioned nicely right here in the scene. If we're happy with how that looks, we can hit next. It's going to ask us if we're happy with our image, and then right after this, that's when the special artificial intelligence enabled magic background feature will remove the background around the human subjects in the photo, and guests will then have an option to choose magic backgrounds that you specify to be part of the event. So removing the background now, which just takes a moment, and now guests can choose from any of the background choices that we've set up for them in the bottom of the frame here. And just like that, our finished magic background enabled virtual photo booth portrait is available for download right here from the smartphone. To download this, they're just going to tap the email button, enter an email address. It's going to upload the photo, and you'll get the success message that everything has been sent. From there, they'll receive an email, fully customizable, that will allow them to download the photo, or in other cases, the GIF or boomerang, right to their camera roll, and reshare it onto social networks and send to their family and friends. I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration today. If you'd like more information about our virtual photo booth services, please reach out to us at hello@ceginteractive.com. Or you can visit our website, which will jump you right to our virtual photo booths page by virtualphotobooths.com. Thanks, and we look forward to connecting with you very soon.